Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find the quotient of this division. Here we'll have to perform polynomial division. Now, given polynomials are not written in standard form, we'll have to convert these polynomials in standard form in order for us to not miss any term while dividing. So 5x square minus 2x cube plus 3 when converted to standard form will be minus 2x cube plus 5x square plus 3. In standard form, we write the highest degree first. And the powers of the variables or degrees of the terms are written in descending order. So x square minus 4 minus 2x when converted to standard form will be x square minus 2x minus 4. Now we can perform the division. So minus 2x cube plus 5x square plus 3 is divided by x square minus 2x minus 4. Now we'll try to eliminate the first term. In order to eliminate this, we'll have to multiply this polynomial with minus 2x. So minus 2x into x square will be minus 2x cube. Minus 2x into minus 2x is plus 4x square. Minus 2x into minus 4 is plus 8. Now this will be subtracted, so signs will be changed here. Minus 2x cube plus 2x cube gives out 0. 5x square minus 4x square is plus x square. Plus 3 minus 8 is minus 5. So this is minus 8x, so this will be minus 8x plus 3. Now in order for us to be able to eliminate this first term, that is x square, we'll have to multiply the given polynomial with plus 1. So 1 into x square is x square. 1 into minus 2x is minus 2x. 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. When we subtract this, this will be minus, this will be plus, this will be plus. So x square minus x square is 0. Minus 8x, this is minus 8x, plus 2x is minus 6x, plus 3 plus 4 is plus 7. Now this cannot be divided any further as the degree of divisor is greater than this polynomial's degree. So the quotient is minus 2x plus 1. So answer is option B.